Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about top verbs in English. Enjoy, enjoy it, enjoy it. Enjoy, enjoy it, enjoy it. Eliminate, eliminated, eliminated. Eliminate, eliminated, eliminated. Follow, followed, followed. Follow, followed, followed. Freeze, froze, frozen. Freeze, froze, frozen. Guess, guessed, guessed. Guess, guessed, guessed. Greet, greeted, greeted. Greet, greeted, greeted. Hunt, hunted, hunted. Hunt, hunted, hunted. Imagine, imagined, imagined. Imagine, imagined, imagined. Invite, invited, invited. Invite, invited, invited. Jump, jumped, jumped. Jump, jumped, jumped. Close, closed, closed. Close, closed, closed. Compared, compared, compared. Compared, compared, compared. Disturb, disturbed, disturbed. Disturb, disturbed, disturbed. Dress, dressed, dressed. Dress, dressed, dressed. Beset, beset, beset. Beset, beset, beset. Breed, bread, bread. Breed, bread, bread. Bleed, blade, blade. Bleed, blade, blade. Behold, beheld, beheld. Behold, beheld, beheld. Feed, fed, fade. Feed, fed, fade. End, ended, ended. End, ended, ended.